Technology keeps shrinking and hacking tools are no exception. These tiny devices can analyze networks, uncover vulnerabilities, and secure systems, or cause serious damage in the wrong hands. Use them wisely. Stay tuned as we dive into the most advanced pocket-sized cyber tools ever made. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore the description for all the product links. Shark Jack. The Shark Jack may look like a basic USB Ethernet dongle, but it's built for rapid network infiltration. Once connected to a target system, it automatically scans for devices, vulnerabilities, and exploitable pathways. It can quietly capture traffic and trigger preloaded payloads to disrupt or lock down systems. If anyone tries to interfere, it can detect the intrusion and react accordingly. Lightweight, fast, and extremely discreet, this gadget is a go-to tool for red team professionals performing covert security tests. ZimmyMark Ghost Sensor Device. When someone tries to watch without permission, this gadget helps you catch them in the act. The ZimmyMark Ghost Sensor is a stealth-ready RF scanner engineered to detect hidden cameras, covert transmitters, and wireless spying devices. It sweeps multiple radio frequency bands within a 10-meter range, revealing suspicious signals that shouldn't be there. With a retractable antenna for stronger detection, real-time alerts, and a signal strength meter, it guides you straight to the source of the threat. Lightweight, travel-friendly, and powered by a simple replaceable battery, the Ghost Sensor brings hidden surveillance into the spotlight, whether you're checking a hotel room, a meeting space, or anywhere privacy matters. Key Crock. The Key Crock may look like an ordinary USB stick, but it's built for covert data capture. Once connected, it secretly logs every key press passwords, chats, login details, and more, acting as a hidden bridge between the keyboard and the computer. All stolen data is stored inside and can be retrieved later through another device. Some upgraded models even support wireless extraction and include a built-in VPN, making detection nearly impossible. A stealthy surveillance tool disguised as a simple flash drive. Wi-Fi adapter. It might look like a simple internet connector, but a specialized Wi-Fi adapter can be a serious hacking weapon. With a high-gain antenna, it can detect far-off access points and expose weak spots in wireless networks. Many adapters support advanced features like packet injection and network monitoring, helping ethical hackers test defenses by simulating real cyber attacks. Compact, powerful, and easy to carry, this small tool is essential for both securing networks and discovering vulnerabilities before attackers do. IODDST400. ST400 is much more than a portable hard drive. Acting as a virtual optical drive emulator, it can launch ISO files instantly, no installation needed. That means multiple operating systems, forensic utilities, and penetration testing tools can all be carried in one pocket-sized device. It can boot a computer into a secure environment without leaving any traces behind. With built-in hardware encryption and PIN protection, your sensitive data stays locked even if the device is lost. For cybersecurity experts working in the field, this is a stealthy all-in-one digital toolkit. Universal remote control. Small but surprisingly sneaky, this universal remote is a powerful tool for anyone testing smart electronics. It can control multiple infrared devices like TVs, media systems, and even air conditioners from one compact gadget. Just plug it in via USB-C and you're ready. With quick, silent commands, you can change channels, adjust volume, or override signals without attracting attention. Lightweight and easy to conceal, it replaces bulky remotes while giving discrete control over various targets. Proxmark 3 NFC Card Reader. If you've ever wondered how those tap-to-enter cards actually work, this tiny tool is your backstage pass. The Proxmark 3 NFC Card Reader is a compact beast built for RFID and NFC security testing. It can scan, clone, and analyze smart cards, access badges, and even hotel key cards, all from a device that fits in your hand. Because it's fully open source, hackers and cybersecurity pros around the world constantly upgrade its capabilities, unlocking new techniques for researching vulnerabilities. Used responsibly, it's a must-have for penetration testers and security learners, exposing exactly how contactless cards store data and where they fail to keep it safe. HackerOne. This unassuming little stick is a wireless playground for anyone curious about radio signals. The HackerOne plugs straight into USB and instantly gives you access to frequencies from 1 MHz all the the way to 6 GHz, the same range used by Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth devices, GPS trackers, and even basic remote controls and garage doors. It can run custom scripts at impressive speeds and supports multiple programming languages, which makes it super beginner-friendly while still packing the punch cybersecurity pros need. With frequent firmware upgrades and a durable design, the Hacker One becomes your personal launch pad for discovering vulnerabilities and helping protect wireless systems from those who might exploit them. USB Killer Pro Kit. Meet the USB Killer Pro Kit, a device that sounds dangerous. And it is, if misused. Designed for high voltage stress testing, it floods any USB port with rapid energy pulses to see if your hardware can survive extreme power surges. Engineers rely on it to uncover weaknesses in circuits before they turn into real-world disasters. This kit comes with multiple adapters for all USB types, several testing modes, and even its own rechargeable power source. Handled responsibly, the USB Killer Pro Kit becomes an essential tool for boosting the safety and durability of electronics, giving engineers the insight they need to fortify devices against electrical mishaps. Wi-Fi Pineapple. This is one of the most legendary tools in wireless cybersecurity. The Wi-Fi Pineapple disguises itself as a trusted network, luring nearby devices to automatically connect just like a real attacker would. And once they're hooked, it can monitor traffic, analyze weaknesses, and demonstrate how easily data can be intercepted on unsecured hotspots. With built-in logging, modular add-ons, and a completely portable form factor, it's a favorite among ethical hackers for training and strengthening network defenses. Easy to deploy, but extremely powerful if used with the wrong intentions. Punkt M P02. In a world obsessed with apps, cameras, and constant tracking, the Punkt M P02 rebels. This minimalist phone strips away every distraction and vulnerability. No social media, no app store, no tracking software, just secure encrypted calls and messages. It still supports essentials like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C, but keeps your data offline and locked behind advanced security. With its rugged design and tactile keypad, it's built for quiet communication in high-risk environments where privacy truly matters. For anyone who values being unseen in a world that watches everything, this is the ultimate low-profile device. ESP Key. This little gadget turns an ordinary keyboard into a secret surveillance system. The ESP Key hides directly inside a keyboard's USB cable, silently logging every keystroke, passwords, private messages, sensitive information. Nothing is safe. It doesn't need software or access to the computer itself. Instead, it quietly sends all captured data wirelessly to the operator. There's even a version built for card readers, capable of collecting and replaying access credentials to unlock restricted areas. With real-time monitoring and completely stealthy operation, tools like the ESP Key are essential for security professionals, revealing exactly how attackers could compromise a system long before they strike. Wall Sound Listener. Sometimes the most important information is happening on the other side of the wall. This compact device picks up subtle vibrations through solid surfaces and converts them into clear, amplified audio, letting investigators hear what can't be heard directly. With adjustable sensitivity for fine-tuning and headphone output for silent monitoring, it becomes a powerful tool for stealth operations. Rugged, portable, and incredibly simple to use, the Wall Sound Listener is a go-to gadget for audio surveillance when you need to listen without being seen. M5 Stick. This stick is a tiny powerhouse for hackers and tech tinkerers alike. Despite its compact size, it comes with its own display, programmable buttons, and built-in sensors from accelerometers to temperature monitors, putting serious control right in your pocket. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, it can test wireless networks, automate tasks, or run advanced hacking scripts. Fully compatible with platforms like Arduino and MicroPython, it's perfect for both beginners and experts looking to build smart devices, analyze signals, or experiment in cybersecurity. Portable, rechargeable, and endlessly customizable, the M5 Stick proves that size doesn't limit power. Cyber Chatter. It may look like a harmless kid's messaging toy, but don't let the playful design fool you. Cyber Chatter became a secret favorite among hackers because it communicates without using phone networks, SIM cards, or mainstream apps. Messages are encrypted end-to-end, making them extremely hard to track or intercept. Even if someone manages to capture the data, it remains unreadable without the proper key. And just to keep things discreet, it also includes a few simple games, the perfect camouflage for private communication. A stealth messaging device hiding in plain sight and staying far from digital surveillance. Blue Driver. Blue Driver turns any smartphone into a full-blown automotive diagnostics lab. Plug it into a vehicle's OBD2 port, and it unlocks real-time data that most dashboards will never show: hidden error codes, sensor readings, fuel and engine performance, and the true health of the vehicle. Mechanics rely on it to build accurate repair reports and keep cars running smoothly. But in the wrong hands, this little device can become a silent spy monitoring a vehicle's movement, analyzing onboard systems, and revealing driver behavior without tipping anyone off. A compact tool that shows everything happening under the hood, even the things you were never meant to see. Thetis Pro. Meet the Thetis Pro, a compact security key designed to make passwords obsolete. With a simple tap, it uses advanced encryption to verify your identity, eliminating the risk of stolen or weak passwords. It supports dual USB connections and NFC, working seamlessly with laptops, desktops, and even smartphones. Encased in durable metal, the Thetis Pro can handle daily wear while keeping your digital life secure. Supporting multiple leading security protocols, it protects accounts from phishing, credential theft, and unauthorized access. Small enough to attach to a keychain and lightning fast to set up, this gadget puts military-grade cybersecurity right in your pocket. Holiot. Holiot may look like just another tiny circuit board, but it's built for serious wireless infiltration. Designed for advanced hacking and IoT experiments, it operates on low-power Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz signals while running custom code on its efficient ARM Cortex-M0 processor. With onboard memory and versatile input-output connections, Holiot can quietly link to smartphones and smart devices all around it, transmitting data in the background without raising suspicion. Security researchers use it to build covert trackers, signal interceptors, and remote control tools that can vanish inside everyday electronics. Easy to program, hard to detect Holiot is a crucial building block for the next generation of stealth wireless gadgets. Mesh Taste IoT. Mesh Taste IoT creates its own invisible web of communication. No cell towers, no Wi-Fi, no infrastructure required. Each device relays encrypted messages to the next, forming a long-range, self-healing mesh network that keeps information moving even in the most remote or hostile environments. With built-in GPS tracking, operators can monitor locations in real time, making it ideal for covert surveillance and off-grid missions. It runs on extremely low power, delivering long battery life far from civilization, while the companion app gives users full command over the network. Fully customizable for developers, Mesh Taste IoT can support secure messaging, asset tracking, and stealth operations all inside a rugged, compact form built to survive where traditional communications fail. IC card reader. Smart cards might look secure, but this tool shows exactly what's hidden inside them. The IC card reader can extract encrypted data from both contact and contactless cards, everything from account details and ID credentials to restricted access permissions. Whether it connects through USB, wireless interfaces, or specialized ports, it works seamlessly with payment systems, identity verification setups, and security checkpoints. Penetration testers rely on it to uncover weak points in digital infrastructure and ensure sensitive information stays protected. Fast, discreet, and incredibly precise, the IC card reader reveals how well smart cards truly guard the data they carry. That wraps up our countdown of 18 amazing pocket-sized hacking and security gadgets. If you loved exploring these powerful tools, hit like, drop a comment with your favorite, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech and cybersecurity insights. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.